Hey, fourth grade friends. I'm going to do a few of our examples from our math today on page 239 because I know some of you missed it in the Zoom meeting. So we're just going to add and subtract fractions. Before we can start to add, we need to find a common denominator, which in this case is 22. So we're going to multiply by 2 to get our 11 up to 22, which means our new numerator is 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. And then we say 6 plus 4 is 10. Our 22 stays the same. We add our whole numbers. And then we add this row of whole numbers. And we have 166 and 10 over 22. But both of these are even numbers that we can divide down, which gives us 166 and 5/11. This one, same thing. We need a common denominator, except this time we're going to need to change all 3 of our fractions, and we need to get them up to 18. So we need to multiply this one by 2, this one by 3, and this one by 6. So my new fraction is 6/18. My new fraction here is 15/18, and my new fraction here is 8/18. Now when I add all of these up, you'll see that this is now an improper fraction that we're going to have to fix. But first, let's add all of our whole numbers. So now I'm going to have my 2016 plus 18 goes into 29 once with 11 left over, and your 18 stays the same. We add these and we now have 2017 and 11/18. To subtract, first we need a common denominator. To get a common denominator for 4 and 8, we need to multiply 4 times 2 to get to 8. This is my new fraction. I can't do 3 minus 6, so I need to borrow. I add 8/8 to this so that I have something to take away. 11 minus 6 is 5. My 8 stays the same, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So those are the ones we did in the Zoom meeting today for any of you that missed them.